Good morning, everybody. I'm Denis Potier. I'm head of the purchasing quality insurance for Safran Aircraft Engines. Welcome, and thanks for joining us today for this meeting. I'm here today to share with you the journey that AESQ undertook 10 years ago. Things back, we are in 2030, almost 10 years. The world was a little bit different than it is today, but some things have not changed. These things are listed in this slide. We have an unprecedented production ramp-up ahead. We have expanding our global supplier footprint and increasing supplier engine content. We have a common supply base, multiple OEM customers. Customers require engine OEMs to improve management of our supply base. And all of these things have not changed during the last 10 years. AESQ was formed by a group of OEM and manufacturers to collaborate and to address this key challenge for our global supply chain. How did we do that? I'm going to start on the top left of that slide. We are in 2013. If you look the requirement flow down to our supply chain, we have requirement from regulator, we have requirement from our customer, and we have also requirement from industry through NatCap, EIQG, ISO. All of these requirements were flowed down to OEM and manufacturers, and so, therefore, we flow down to our supply chain. If you look across, Rolls-Royce has a Sabre, GS1000, Pratt & Whitney AESQ-01, and Safran has SAFE. All of these documents follow all the requirements above. And we flow down this document to our supply chain, to our supplier. But all these documents are different. Even though we have the same requirement at the beginning, we started at pretty much at the same place. We took it, we put our own language, we put our own interpretation on it, and so at the end, we follow different documents to our supply chain. So, in 2023, what's happened during the years between 2013 and 2023? AESQ was formed to commonize all these requirements. AS3100 is a collaboration of OEM and manufacturers. It took several years, almost 10 years, from a dedicated group focuses on safety and quality to produce this new standard. To make our business more reliable and more safer, we created this standard. So you can see on the right side that even though we have, instead of SAFE, S400 and so on, we have now a new standard, AS30100, we have still few specific requirements for each of us that we are not able to commonize yet. But we are still working on it. We are a collaborative group, and we try to commonize as much as possible. I would like to give an example before and after. If you are 100% compliant to SAFE for Safran, that means that you are at least today 84% compliant to AS100. So we move forward with all OEM to try and to commonize this requirement. We did this, a vision, AESQ vision that we want to share with you today. A vision encourages each of us to achieve ambitious long-term goals. It's what we want and what we share with you. AESQ Vision. What is this vision? To enable and accelerate the achievement of zero defect and a quality-first culture across the global aero engine supply chain. So that, safety, you will hear safety several times today. Safety is the most important thing in our business. Safety is assured, disruption is reduced, cost of poor quality is eliminated. We are all concerned through these topics. And through collaboration is also a word that you will hear several times today. Collaboration and shared learning, development of capability and expertise, implementation of simplified and common standard. This is a very huge target for all of us. Through that slide, we put several things, several topics, which are very important from AS 30100. First, all engine manufacturers are driving process control through APQP. APQP, I think we will discuss during the forum of APQP. It's an important subject for all of us. Despite the same foundation requirement, each were flowing different terminology, process, and tool. It's what I said previously. We have the same requirement, but at the end, different document, and so on. We don't want that. Needed simpler and more consistent guidance for the supply base. Asked for a forum to share best practice from across industry. You will see on the panel some SMIG during a break, and we will share with you what we are doing and why we want to have the best practice, to share the best practice, and to have from your side best practice. Needed to challenge current acceptance thresholds, raising the barrier of performance for the whole industry, product safety, safety against safety. Essential to accelerate supplier capability through common development and training. We are all striving for zero defect, and we will hear this sentence several times because, as said previously, safety and quality remain a key challenge. On that slide, what are AESQ company members? We have GE, we have Pratt & Whitney, we have Rolls, Safran, MTU, GKN, Honeywell, Howmet Aerospace, HI, PCC, Precision Castparts Corporation. We have also AESQ contributing members: Cincinnati Thermospray, Collins Aerospace, CPP, ITP, Parker, World Alloys, Solar Atmosphere, and Woodward. So we recommend and we propose also to join AESQ contributing member. We will discuss probably during the day. If you're interested, welcome. Who are the members for this company and OEM? I'm calling my AESQ colleague to stand up because it will be easier to catch a face, a visage. We have Barbara from GE Aerospace. We have Lisa from Pratt & Whitney. We have Helen from GKN. We have Huzam from Rolls. Myself. We have June from HI over there. We have Barry at the back of the meeting room. Where is Barry? Barry is there. Thanks, Barry. Marcus, of course, our host. Thanks again, Marcus. James Clifton or Aaron for PCC. Thanks, sir. And Huza from Howmet. This is the member. Lots of them attend this forum, so don't hesitate. If you have any question, any comments about the presentation, subject, and so on, we are here to discuss with you, to share our own experience. So I would say don't hesitate. We have a real opportunity today. This is the end for my section. I would like to welcome Hélène for the next section. Thank you very much.